Okay, guys, so now it's been about a half hour since I did the last video. And if I come into my blog post, you'll see that the ads are now installed. So, as I said, you're going to want to test this. I don't like this here. So I'm going to actually move that. Come back to my quick Adsense, and the one at the beginning of the post, I'm going to change that to assign right after the more tag. Okay? And then I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to press save. If I come back here, it moved it down here. So it's no longer here. It's down here. Now, really quickly, oh wait, actually it's not in. This post, you know what? This post isn't long enough for it to stick 3 in now after the more tag. Let me just see where the more tag is. More, this. Yeah, see, the post isn't big enough. So, for this particular post, I'll just leave 2. Okay? But I just wanted to show you that is here. Now, I just wanted to kind of point something out. If you take your screen and you sort of close it like this is how people will view your website on mobile. Now, the reason I use big squares is because it sort of fits perfectly as they're scrolling through. You see? So that's why I like to use these nice squares. Okay? What we're going to do now is we want to put some ads on the side here. Okay? So what we're going to do is go back to Adsense. We're going to come back to the home page. Oh, sorry. My ads. We're going to come back to add units. We're going to click add new. Now for this one, what I like to do is I like to use first this medium size rectangle. So I'm going to put in sidebar. Okay. You can do sidebar new if you want. And I'm going to hit save. I'm going to copy this again. We're going to close it. We're going to come back to the blog. We're not going to use quick Adsense anymore. We're going to come up to appearance, then widgets. Okay. Now, you're going to have to decide where you want the ads over here. I kind of like to keep one up somewhere near the top. That's kind of up to you again, but I'm going to put it right underneath this search widget that I have. So if you come in here to primary sidebar, you'll see I have my search here. All I'm going to do is take a text block and move it underneath my search. I'm not going to title it, and I'm going to paste that ad in here. Then you're going to click save, and then you're going to close it. Okay? Now, it's not going to show up here yet because remember, it still says new. These actually, if I refresh, these are still saying new, but it's showing the ads on the blog. This will change, okay, eventually. But until this ad is ready, if I come here, you notice that it made a space for it, but there is no ad. So that's a good thing. You know that it's done properly. What I want to do now is I like to have a square here. And then what I like to do is put a big giant one down here. Okay? A big one. The way you're going to do that is you're going to come back and click new ad unit. You're going to click large skyscraper. You're going to come back here and do, I like to say like bottom of sidebar new. Okay? Save. Grab the code. Come back to your blog. We're going to get another text box, which is here. And what I'm going to do is put this one at the bottom. Okay? No title and paste. Now, you're going to want to click Save. And if you installed the fixed widget, I would click Fixed Widget so that this one, when you save it, you come down here. When you scroll, like when you scroll down here, like it's not going to be here yet, but when you scroll, it'll keep the ad here. Okay, so like that's what the fixed widget is doing. So fix this widget. It's the bottom one, so that when you scroll, it'll keep the ad there. And that, just in case I didn't go over it, I'm sorry guys, I don't remember, but the fixed widget is called Q2W3 fixed widget. Okay, that's the plugin that you're going to want to put in. And then it's going to give you this option to do fixed widget. Okay, now this will be fixed and we'll have a nice long ad right there. And that's really where I like to put them. Some people like them up here, like she puts it up here and down here. To me, this is just like grabbing at straws, just trying to figure out or trying to stack the website with ads. The problem with this is that when you have too many ads, it dilutes the amount of people who click because there's too many of them and they don't end up clicking anything. So for now, just do the ones that we went over in this lesson. All right, guys? So that's it for Google AdSense. We are all set, and I'll see you on the next video.